Want to buy in New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut even if the deal is slightly negative today? In this video, low and no ratio DSCR loans explained, I will show you when and how investors use low and no ratio DSCR loans to acquire properties in appreciation markets, protect the downsides, and set up a smart exit. Hey, I'm Eli, the DSCR Pro, and I help investors like you understand the market, find smart loan options, and turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow. Stick around to the end because I will give you my 3-step stress test checklist to validate any low, no ratio DSCR deal before you commit. Section 1. Low and no ratio DSCR loans explained. Most DSCR loans look for rent covering PITI, which is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. So DSCR loans of one with low DSCR lenders may allow coverage as low as 0.8 to 0.99 with no ratio. The cash flow can be negative and you can still qualify based on the property and file strength.
This is really cool.
Why this exists? In high cost appreciation driven market like Brooklyn, Hoboken, Stamford, rents may lag the payment today, but value growth, renovations, and rent increases over 12 to 36 months can make the deal. And no ratio DSCR helps you control the asset now, then execute your plan. Section 2. Who it is for and not for. Investment property is only 1 to 4 units, not owner occupied. First-time investors allowed if you own a primary residence, not for first-time homeowners. Credit. Many lenders down to 660 FICO, 700 plus gets better pricing. Property types, non-warrantable condos can be eligible. Loan amounts often from $125,000 to up to $4 million. Docs typical no W-2s or tax returns required. Terms, 30-year fixed is usually best value. We have ARMs exist but don't always price better. Reserves, plan for 3 months up to 500,000 loans, 6 months from 500,000 up to $4 million. LTV guardrails, up to 75% for purchase rate term and 65% for cash out, credit file dependent. Prepay penalties 0 to 5 years, often state dependent. Longer prepay usually lowers rate. Programs evolve. I will run current overlays for your state and scenario. Section number 3, when loan or ratio makes sense in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut examples. Example number 1, appreciation first, cash flow later. Brooklyn, New York, a 2-family in Bed-Stuy is $400 a month today. Place stabilized tenants, do light improvement and refi in 24 to 36 months once rents and value rise. No ratio let you own the dirt right now. Reposition to medium-term rentals on Stamford, Connecticut. This is my sample number 2. A 3-bed near the train is tied as a long-term rental, but 30 to 90 days furnished, corporate stays pencil out. Play, start with no ratio, stabilize income, then refi to a standard DSCR loan. Number 3, non-warrantable condos with a catalyst. Hoboken, New Jersey. Building is in litigation. Discount pricing. Play acquire with no ratio, hold through resolution. Refi once warrantable and values step up. Number 4, scale with cash out nationwide. Tap 65% LTV cash out from existing assets to fund a Westchester County acquisition that is slightly negative today. Optimize rents, then refi. Section number 4, self-underwrite like a pro. Protect your downsides. Conservative rent test. Underwriting at 10% rent and today's worst case rate. Can you hold 18 to 24 months? Hold periods realism. If you plan to refi in 12 months, consider 0 to 1 year prepay. Longer hold, 3 to 5 year prepay can reduce your rate. 2 exits. 1, refi once DSCR is over 1, or B, sell if milestone slips. Reserves, lender might require 3 to 6 months target, 6 to 12 personally. Section number 5, rule of thumb numbers. Fast schemable. FICO 660 minimum, 700 plus, price is better. LTV up to 75%, purchase rate on term 65% cash out. The term usually 30-year fixed, typically wins. Reserve 3 to 6 months, aim for 6 to 12. Prepayment longer equal lower rate. Align with your exit timeline. Section number 6, prepayment penalty equals strategy. 0 to 1 year prepay, flexibility to refi, sell quickly, usually higher rate. 3 to 5 year prepay, lower rate if you plan to hold. State rules apply, choose prepay to match your exit. Section number 7, 3-step no ratio stress test. Your takeaway. Math. Conservative rents plus worst case rate for 18 to 24 months. Milestones, exact triggers to reach DSCR over 1.0. Rent to 3,200, bath complete, permit secure with dates. Exit B, if milestone slips, sell, pivot to mid-term or inject capital to finish renovation. If you're targeting high-cost markets in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or anywhere in the US, this low and no ratio DSCR loan explained framework can bridge today's numbers to tomorrow's equity and cash flow. Thanks for watching. If you're ready for next step or want help structuring the smartest financing for your deal, call or text me. I will help you turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow with smart DSCR loan strategies.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR loan tips and tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize